Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Rakhi video. So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Rakhi, and this is a fun video as well. You can easily do this video along with your kids, or also you can make your homemade Rakhi during this time if you cannot go outside. Today I'm going to show you how to make Rakhi out of whatever available at your home, and this is so simple. Need not to do any thing which takes time, or these things are easily available at your home. So let's get started. So now I'm going to show you what we need to make basic Rakhi. So I think in every Indian household people have this thread. This is called kalava, or during puja time we are using this as a for tying raksha sutra. So you can easily find this at your home or at your mandir. So this is I'm gonna use for making Rakhi band. And also if you don't have this, you can use wool or wool. This is also available in every Indian household, so you can easily find this. And if kids are doing this video, they can ask you, his grandmother or mother, like they need some wool or wool. So she or they will provide this to kids. And next thing we need kind of glue. So any of glue you can use. I'm having this double side tape. If you have, you can use this. Otherwise this glue stick you can use, or fabric glue. This is a crafting glue, easily you can find in every household. So I'm going to use these things. And next thing, we need a scissor, we need a pen, we need some colors just in case if you are using. And also if you have any old or new which is not usable, any kind of bangle or any stone kind of thing for making Rakhi, you can also use that. So this is one of my old bangle, but I never wear this, and this is quite unused for me. So I'm going to take all stone from this for making my Rakhi. So yeah, so these are the basic thing which we need. And also A4 sheet, or this is a crafting paper, um, drawing paper you can say. And also we need some drawing paper. So let's get started. So guys, for making Rakhi, first we have to make a band. So first I'm going to show you how to make a band from this kalava. So this have already as you can see, so many small thin layer of threads. So what we have to do, simply tie a knot in the starting, and whatever size you need, just cut it from there. I I already made one more, as you can see. So also, if you don't have this thing, then you can make your similar kind of band from this wool. So I'm going to show you. Guys, and simply make a knot. bands are ready. This is a drawing paper, and just make sure like how big you want Rakhi. So I'm going to make a circle, and then simply I'm going to cut this circle. I'm going to use this thread, and also make sure to mark your middle of the thread. Like this is my middle, and now I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to use this double side tape, and now it's time to decorate our Rakhi. So guys, for decorating this Rakhi, I'm going to take out these stones from this bangle. This is chana dal, and simply paint it. Guys, simply just put some nail polish over the chana dal, and that give you a kind of a stone effect to your chana dal. Whatever color you want, you can do. Like I am doing the golden shimmery. I'm using golden sparkle, golden color. If you want to make any specific color using nail polish, you can do that also. Guys, first I'm going to put this stone here, and then guys, this is our first Rakhi, as you can see. Now we are going to make our second Rakhi. So for that, again we are using this braid.